Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. It's summertime, and if you're a parent, your kids are probably home from school and they need to burn off some energy. So you should check out these jump ropes I found from Leeboom. I really like them. So the one reason I chose these is because they have these little silicone pieces that surround the rope. So rather than it just being a rope, those silicone pieces give it that added weight, and I think that makes it actually easier for my kids to actually jump rope, especially my youngest. Another reason I chose these is because you can adjust the length. You can take these silicone pieces off, cut the rope, and then re-knot it, put it back in the handle to customize the length. And my kids are very different heights, so I wanted something that they both could use, and because you can customize these, that made it possible. They also come in these cute storage bags, and I love any brand that thinks about storage and organization. So I love these. I would absolutely recommend them for any kid, and that's my point of view.